yung mga dumadating naman na ganitong blessing sa atin, dapat of course we give thanks to the Lord and thank you dahil kahit paano binibless pa rin tayo ng mga ganitong opportunities.
Kaya ako tinanong kasi sabi count your blessings.
Count your blessings? So 20? Hindi ko alam. I lost count. Medyo.
Oo. Sunod-sunod din, then parang wala ka ring tigil. Ikaw yung walang tigil kasi I think every day you're grinding.
Yes, yes.
So pag wala kang taping, endorsement, shoot, ganyan. And speaking of shoot,
yes.
lumabas na yung Metro.
Yes, yes. I'm very happy and yun yung mga ginagawa kong side hustles in between and of course, may mga fans nga rin na naglalabas ng mga previous magazine covers namin before, comparing it to the magazine covers that we have now. And grabe, ang laki din nung pag sina-side by side siya, nakikita ko talaga yung differences. Well, when it comes to the physical appearance namin dalawa ni Kat, sobrang nag-iba na talaga after 5 years.
Hindi yung physical ang pinapansin ng fans, yung chemistry.
Nakso man! Of course, we're very grateful kasi at the same time, parang that goes to show that the chemistry was not lost, and for them to be able to say that, at least they are, that goes to show that they're looking forward for the film, and we are very excited as well. Pero yung mga magazine covers and yung ibang engagements na nakikita nyo na magkasama kami, ibang-iba yun sa pelikula. So,
anong ibig sabihin na ibang-iba sa pelikula?
Kasi, di ba mostly kapag nakikita nila happy, or kung hindi, chill lang kami doon, medyo iba sa pelikula, and I'm sure nakita naman nila kung what's in store for them for Hello Love Again.
Tapos kagagaling na lang ng Ilo. Grabe yung Iloilo. I think that's the pinakamaraming attendees, if I'm not mistaken.
One of the, kasi parang I think if I can remember correctly.
Kasi parang di kayo nakapunta na stage or kumanta na lang kayo start.
Hindi, dun yung stage and then we had to perform sa escalator kasi para mas maabot din namin yung ibang audience kasi yung structure niya medyo mababa yung stage, so hindi namin nakikita yung ibang tao and we had to go up.
Viral yung tinalon mo daw si Kat. Ba't mo naman tinalon? So
Hindi kasi parang nag-usap kami na parang utilize namin yung stairs, parang katulad nga dun sa magazine cover na lumabas. And then parang inisip ko kasi medyo mahaba, kung bababa pa ako and then I had to go up, mas mabilis siguro kasi matatapos na rin yung kanta. Kaya tinalon ko na lang, buti na lang safe. Pero medyo napagalitan tayo on that end. Pero okay naman.
Sasaluhin ka naman daw ni Kat.
Naks!
Parkour training naman.
May parkour training naman tayo before during one of my projects.
So na-miss mo lang
Gusto lang natin pabibo, ganun. Joke lang.
Actually, Kat nung tinalon mo siya.
Nagulat din siya, pero kumbaga, of course, tuloy pa rin yung performance kasi kahit pa paano, hindi naman pwedeng maputol dahil doon. And it adds on a different kind of showmanship. Gusto namin kasi parang every mall show sana tumatatak siya sa mga pumupunta and sumusupport. But yun, minsan naiisip lang namin yung mga bagay na yun on the spot.
Kitang-kita yung closest siya. Mas madali ba pag ang leading lady mo single? Working relation?
Parang hindi. It doesn't really matter. Kasi si Julia naman before, when we had 5 breakups in a romance, we really got along very well. And yung right now si Kat, mas hindi mo rin masabi kasi that depends upon the person. Hindi mo siya pwedeng sabihin na okay na single or okay, mas madali makatrabaho pag single na yung isang kapartner. But with everything that's happening now, it's very different of course. During nung first movie namin, of course, when it comes to the promotions and when it comes to the film, ngayon mas relax kami, mas chill kami.
Going back to the
Sige, go.
Going back to the Metro shoot, may kasi doon, parang may tanong doon sa binasa ko kasi yung article, so parang is it hello, goodbye, or ever after?
Nox! Oh.
Wala lang.
Ano sasagot ko doon?
Saan daw?
Ano?
Or ano yung hoping for hello, goodbye, or ever after si Alvin?
Siyempre hello for the success of the film. Doon kami very concerned and yun yung talagang pinagdadasal namin dalawa ni Kat na sana ako nga, of course may notion pa rin of the blockbuster record before, pero kami, yun nga kagaya ng sabi ni Direk Cathy during the MediaCon, those kinds of aspects na na-incorporate sa pelikula is just a bonus. Ang importante is makapagkwento kami ng magandang storya, lahat ng mga na in love sa story ni Joy and Ethan sana maikwento namin ng maayos itong Hello Love again sa kanila at sana magustuhan nila po. I think that's the main objective of this project. And that's a hello.
Nagulat yung lahat dun sa sagot mo ni Catherine dun sa ilang percent na? 87 ka, 100 ka? Ano, nagulat ka ba dun sa reaction sinabi niyo?
Oh, hindi naman kasi parang that's part of our relationship naman yung kulita namin dalawa. I think that's part of it. And basta kami dalawa, whatever work we have right now, we're enjoying it, and ang sarap lang na lahat kami sama-sama for this film, and what we want is for this film to be successful.
Why you said 100%?
Yun ang feeling ko lang naman.
May mga na-discover ka ba, Alden, kay Kat? Since the first time na nagsama kayo, tapos ngayon ulit may follow-up, meron ka pa rin bang mga na-discover kay Kat?
Never ending naman na eh. Never ending naman na yung discovery, and at the same time, parang yun nga, like what I've said, mas marami akong nalalaman about her na hindi gaya sa amin during the first part of the film when we worked together. It's also refreshing and very enlightening na meron kaming mga bagay na napagkakasunduan na hindi ko alam na yun din pala yung gusto niya.
Since na-mention mo yan, aside from itong movie, meron na ba kayong parang pinaplanong mga other projects, whether sa TV show, kasi posibleng ganyan?
Yes, as of now po, wala pang announcement. We're just really for the film right now, but who knows, after this, baka magkaroon.
Marami na nakapansin na hindi lang daw kayo nag-jive chemistry on cam, iski off cam. Talagang yung closeness niya nakikita, kumbaga yung friendship niya. Sabi niya, you can talk any random
yes.
about
That's part of the process po kasi. And, I think with every project naman din na nagawa ko before, ang napakaswerte ko lang kasi nabibiyayaan tayo ng mga katrabahong hindi mahirap pakisamahan.
I don't know if you wanna answer it or not. Nandun ba sa point that is she a girlfriend material para sa'yo? Kung mag-assume sa matagal na pagkakilala yung dalawa.
Catherine Bernardo is very ideal in a lot of aspects, hindi lang sa pagiging girlfriend. As a person, as a co-worker, as an actress, he's an ideal woman in general. That's how I would like to put that.
Mo.
How would you describe yung dating Kat nung ginagawa niyo yung unang Hello Love Goodbye, tapos yung ngayon? Kasi marami na rin nagbago kay Kat.
Sobra. I mean, nung ginagawa namin yung Hello Love Goodbye ni Kat, I've always known her to be this jolly, happy-go-lucky, relaxed type of girl. Pero right now, she's a woman already. She knows what she wants. She knows herself better than anyone. And yun siguro yung mga nakita kong changes sa kanya na napapabilib din ako na from this girl that I knew 5 years ago, she's now a lady making her own choices and decisions right now. Nakakatuwa lang how the time has changed and the time has contributed to the growth of both of us.
Okay. Kamusta being a part nito? Yung Hunger?
Very happy, honored din at the same time kasi right now tayo rin ulit nabihiyaan tayo again to be blessed as the first brand ambassador for the Hungry Pita, and nakakatawa kasi napakabait nung mga owners, and looking forward ako sa mga pwede pang mangyari with this partnership.
So meron ka ring franchise dito?
Nabigyan ako!
Ilan?
Surprise ba yun?
Yes.
Is it a surprise? Yung announcement?
Yes, nagulat ako.
Kung ayaw po, pwede naman sa amin.
Ano na? Pero raffle yung franchise?
Ilang raffle?
Kayo naman.
So nung nag-meeting kayo, hindi siya na-promise, kanina mo lang na-discover?
Yes,
na
parang ano lang, naririnig ko na bibigyan daw ng franchise. Pero parang ngayon ko nalamang official pala siya. So, very grateful.
Alden, di ba, ang dami mo rin namang business eh. So,
Yes.
di ba, hindi ka rin bago sa food business. But how are you handling all these?
I'm blessed.
Di ba parang araw-araw nga may work, may
Yes.
business, ngayon nadagdagan, paano na?
Hindi, I think I'm just very blessed to have good people behind my back who parang makes effort and goes out of their way to assist me, especially my team and my father who takes care of the food businesses that we have, and then yung partners ko rin dun sa isang restaurant that I have. I think dun ako blessed kasi hindi nila ako pinapabayaan, hindi rin nila ako tinitake advantage, and parang, and they understand the nature of my work right now. Kasi diba, syempre alam naman natin sa pag-artista, hindi ka naman araw-araw busy eh. There are low times as well. There are lean times as well. So right now, naintindihan naman nila na kailangan ko munang mag-grind para dito sa mga projects that I have at hand.
So trust is important.
Trust is the basic foundation of any relationship.
Kaya ano ka-importante sa yung isang celebrity na mayroong mga ganitong klaseng business?
Kailangan siya Sir Alan, kasi our industry is very unsure. Parang tomorrow you're the hottest celebrity there is, and then the next day hindi na. So I consider venturing into business as a safety net for celebrities like myself, kasi you'll never know what will happen.
Thank you po.
MJ, di ka